Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Tina, Reborns, and more and I have been busy. Very, very busy. We had some ideas for some upcoming videos, and we have been doing face-ups and making clothes and props. And I want to show you our latest. You saw our little toddlers. These are our babies. And Lissa of Doll Joy, Lissa, you had a lot to do with this with your cute little baby Middie. This is, I'm going to name her Baby Girl. And she has a little face up. Let me show you. I'm real proud of her. I really am. I think I've done 2, or is it 3 now, Middie face ups. They are not easy. They have this little pug face, and it makes it easier or harder to work on. I did her eyebrows ever so lightly, and I gave her a little red mark there. When my oldest son was born, he had this little red mark right there, and when he would get angry, it would get redder. It was just the cutest thing. He, of course, outgrew it, but I wanted to put that there. I did a very light face up on her. Darren pierced their ears. Let me pull this back out of the way. She has little, these are actually, I put in birthstones, but the one earring got messed up. So I put diamonds in her ears. She has on a little outfit that I crocheted. It's a set. If I can undo the snaps real quick. And I love this part. I made little cloth diapers for them. Little diapers, some people call them diaper covers because you put a cloth diaper underneath and then the rubber pants and then this over it. Darren made these shoes are so adorable. I don't know if you can see how to show it. The little bunny ears on those little shoes, they are 3D printed to fit the Middie size doll, which was not easy. He does all that calibrating. And I have some other things that we have made them that you'll be seeing soon. Little diaper, little dress, more little hats and headbands. Look at the size of this is the size, let me get an ink pen right here. This is the size of a skirt for a Middie doll. Now you see the pocket clip here? That's about the size of the skirt length. How cute is that? They're just tiny. So Tina and I are really having fun, and we have a lot of upcoming videos. Twinning, look what Darren made. Aren't these the cutest? These are also 3D printed, and they have a little magnet which sticks to the baby's face. And getting the magnet on the inside of the mouth was not easy. And boy, trying to get it centered was even harder. I am really having fun with these. Tina, thank you. And we hope you look forward to seeing our little babies and toddlers some more. Merry Christmas Eve to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, liking them, and subscribing to my channel. I mean it. It really means a lot.